L'Occitane. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today's video it's an unboxing video like you guys already know. But first, check out this new set. I have like this boohoo vibe going on in my room right now and I absolutely love it. Like, I'm obsessed with plants, guys. I don't know if I've ever said this here on my channel, but I am very much into plants. So I really love how my set looks right now. I really love how this whole place looks right now. And I'm still going to go in with the plants, but that's by the way. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something that was sent to me by an international brand that just came to Lagos. They just came to Nigeria and they sent me a really nice Valentine's package and it's skincare. But before I show you guys what is in the bag and what it looks like, I went online to literally find out how to pronounce the name of this brand, and I'm going to put a video here so you guys can see the struggle, because I didn't want to come here to come and be saying nonsense. So I started playing a video. Let me pull up that video quickly. Yes.
I'll defer to my wife first. Low octane. In Province.
You guys said
L'Occitane.
L'Occitane. L'Occitane.
L'Occitane.
L'Occitane.
I think.
בעברית זה לאוסיטן.
L'Occitane in Provence.
Ni ngumu sana kusema jina la L'Occitane.
L'Occitane.
Odie, how do you say this North name?
That sounds nice.
L'Occitane.
L'Occitane.
Is the L silent?
I think it's French, but I don't speak French.
L'Occitane?
Occitane.
이거 한국말로 어떻게 얘기하는 거야? Den här butiken heter L'Occitane.
I don't know.
L'Occitane, ja, würde ich auch sagen. Okay, super.
L'Occitane.
No.
Guys, I don't know. Try to pronounce it.
L'Occitane en Provence.
L'Occitane.
L'Occitane.
Así como cañí. L'Occitane.
L'Occitane. Locante. In Province.
That guy said locante.
Souvent, ce paysage,
Locante, what?
c'est cette Provence des lavandes à perte de vue, cette
Okay,
Provence
so
si
now they're
belle
about to tell
et-
us how
et
to
si pure.
pronounce
Et
this
puis,
brand.
voilà, c'est l'âme de l'Occitane qui est ici. Et le nom, qui est cette évocation justement aux femmes d'Occitanie, aux femmes de ce pays. Alors c'est un secret, on dit l'Occitane. L'Occitane, tout simplement.
L'Occitane. That's how it's pronounced. It's pronounced L-O-X-E-E-T-A-N. So L'Occitane. Now, let me show you guys the bag. It's just sitting right here. This big bag was sent to me. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. And inside the bag, there is this really cute yellow box. This is what the gift box looks like. I'm going to open that up and show you guys what's inside. So, I have these items inside the box. and I'm going to basically just run you guys through every single one of them. So now the first one is guys, I honestly don't know how to pronounce these things, but anyways, this one is a cleansing water and it has shea butter inside, and this is what it looks like. And let me just see what this smells like. So open. Let me see. Let me open it. Okay. Okay. It doesn't have a particular smell or scent. I'm trying to find it. So yeah, that's with the cleansing water. The next one is, it's called Delicious Hands. And I think this is a hand cream. And that's what this one looks like. Let me open that up. Put a little bit of that. This one actually smells really, really nice. It has a really soft, florally smell to it. I feel like I'm going to be applying this on my hand every single time. The next item I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to try to pronounce this. It's called Untitled Reset. And this one is an overnight reset oil serum. And this is what it looks like in the box. And let me show you guys what it looks like inside. It comes in this really cute bottle. And let me see what this smells like. I actually am obsessed with smelling products. Okay, let me open this up. Just trying to figure it out. Okay. There's something interesting about this product. The packaging is really down to the detail because you're able to lock back the product in. Like when you open it up, you can lock it so that it doesn't spill. I think that's really important. The scent of this one is not overbearing. It's really, really mild and it's really calm. And I love it. Let me close back this one. Okay. So now the last item in this box is called Amand. And Amand is like a milk concentrated body cream. And I'm really not sure if this is a body cream or a face cream, but let me show you guys what it looks like inside. This is what Amand looks like. This really nice box. And yeah, this bottle is really, really cute, guys. I love it. So let me try this out. It comes with a seal. It's covered. Let me just open this up and see. This one smells very much like this serum, and I honestly don't know what it smells like. It's really calm and really subtle. I honestly don't know what it smells like. Let me check what the ingredients in this one is. Okay, let me just read out what it says here. Enriched with almond milk and Provis almond oil. This body cream melts deliciously into the skin to keep it looking firmer and smoother. So it's a body cream and I like. So that's basically all that was sent to me by L'Occitane. They're in Lagos, they're in Nigeria, and I can't wait to try out these products, especially the cleansing water and the overnight serum. I feel like they're going to be my go-to in this whole set. And the hand cream, yes. Anywho, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. And yeah, if you like to see more videos like this, if you would like to see more unboxing videos, please let me know down below. Leave a comment. If you've tried any of these products, let me know as well down below. And if you would like to see a skincare routine with me using, you know, the serum and the cleansing water, also let me know down below as well. And yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you like it, make sure you also leave a comment, because I'm waiting to respond to your messages. Like, I like responding to you guys know. So leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share as well, and click on the subscribe button down below if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. And also click on the notification bell down below, because that's how you get notifications whenever I post up a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one.